It's a new 2019 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and manual transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Experience it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.